Kitchen rugs take a beating from spills, crumbs, and daily foot traffic. But with the right cleaning steps, you can keep them fresh and spotless. Step 1. Take the rug outside and give it a good shake to remove crumbs, dust, and loose dirt. For larger rugs, hang them over a railing and beat them gently with a broom handle. Step 2. Use a vacuum on both sides of the rug to pull out embedded dirt. Don't forget the underside. It also traps dust. Step 3. Mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Dip a clean cloth into the solution and gently blot the stain. Avoid scrubbing as it can damage the fibers. Step 4. Check the care label first. Wash on a gentle cycle using cold water and mild detergent. Air dry to avoid shrinking. Step 5. Mix warm water and mild detergent in a bucket. Use a soft bristled brush or sponge to scrub gently. Rinse thoroughly with clean water. Hang outside to air dry completely. Step 6. Sprinkle baking soda generously over the dry rug. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Vacuum it up for a fresh scent. And there you have it, a perfectly clean kitchen rug. No time to clean? Let us help. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning at 256-633-6332 or visit www.bearbroscleaning.com. Because your home deserves to be berry clean. Bear Brothers Cleaning, where your home gets berry clean.